आजकल की मॉडर्न मेडिसिन जो हम देख रहे हैं is due to a person who has nothing to do with medical science. Born in the year 1839 near New York in a middle class family, this boy was very finicky about accounts, numbers and money. पूरी दुनिया गोल्ड के पीछे पड़ी थी and his eyes went into black gold, that is oil. It was year 1859 when oil was discovered in Pennsylvania. In 1863, this boy started a company known as Standard Oil. He hated one thing for sure, that is competition. So what he did, he integrated the entire supply chain of oil, right from the point of drilling to the point of refining and distributing. He used to get special discount from the railways on bulk deals and ensured that he sells at a very low price. His idea was very simple. Competition को या eliminate कर दो या फिर खरीद लो. By the year 1880, the Standard Oil was commanding 90% of refining business in America. But in 1904, one journalist exposed him, and 1911, the US Supreme Court broke down the company into 34 parts. These parts got listed, and can you believe? He became the first official billionaire in the world. अब जब oil की दुनिया conquer कर ली थी, he figured out one more thing. Petrochemicals, basically chemicals which can be further processed and used as medicines. और credibility gain करने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? He started funding research, put up foundations in order to ensure that there is a proper scientific research. And in 1910, there was a report known as the Flexner Report, जिसने herbal medicines and natural medicines को unscientific करार दे दिया. There were more than 150 medical schools and universities which went down close to 70. And he ensured that the universities which follow his curriculum, his design and his form of scientific medicines are only funded. The rest are closed. So basically oil से निकले petrochemicals, petrochemicals से बनी दवाइयाँ, and then there was patent to ensure that there is absolute monopoly. So इस आदमी ने सिर्फ oil नहीं बनाया, he made the entire medical narrative of the world. Right from media to medical houses, everything under his control. And he kept on funding schools, universities to ensure कि उसकी image चमकती रहे, दुनिया की नजरों में वो एक philanthropist बने रहे. But that was the idea, to ensure that his monopoly and his image stays intact. So this story was about John D. Rockefeller, one of the biggest capitalists. In fact, he gave the blueprint of capitalism to the world. So he not only made oil, he made human body into a market. Hop onto our YouTube channel in order to learn the entire story and this fascinating history. Follow for more.